This video is brought to you by Vina Vibes. If you're looking for guidance in assembling your IKEA-led coffee table, this video is for you. Follow me through the steps of assembling. Let's do this together. First, we're going to unpack everything.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on.
Next, we are going to use this template that came with the box as guidance to measure and make a mark on the table leg. I'm using the shorter screw. At this point, I used a spanner because we couldn't find a hammer. And we figured that actually this would work as well. Now that we have made the mark on the table leg, we can remove the template. After that, we place the bracket in the position and hammer the nail in to stabilize it. A gentle reminder, the screw doesn't need to be over tightened. And make sure that the bracket is facing the correct direction. We will need to do this 4 times, which means you need to repeat it on the 4 table legs.
Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Baby, I'll be better when we're old.
Next, it's time to install the table legs.
Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future.
Use the long double-ended screw. Look for the edge with a bigger hole and twist it clockwise. Make sure that it is all the way in, closest to the table. Minimize the gap as much as possible.
Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was a good job, kept me employed, but now I'm moving on to the next point. Try to date a prince instead.
Once again, repeat it on the 4 table legs. This step is essential too. It's going to protect the table legs from rubbing against your tiles.
I want a life story, kinda something like that Shakespeare would have wrote it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could have met you.
Now, it's time to flip the table over
I bet you would help me tell me
and place the lower shelf on the bracket. The function of the bracket is to support the shelf.
Romeo, Romeo, where art thou, Romeo, Romeo? I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic, Romeo. Why'd you have to go and set the bar so high?